In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can add a trend line to your area chart in Excel. So here we have a basic area chart, and whenever I click on the plus, one of the interesting things is that you will not see an option for a trend line by clicking the plus. But to add a trend line, there's actually a bit of a workaround where you can click on the data series in the area chart, right click on it, and you're going to see an option pop up called Add Trend Line. Here you can click on Add Trend Line, and you can adjust the trend line settings as you normally would in other trend lines for different charts. So you can have a linear trend line, which is kind of the default, logarithmic trend line, exponential trend line, power trend line, moving average, and so on and so forth. In this example, we need to have a moving trend line. You can also format it as well. You can adjust the name. Right, it's linear. We can have it be a custom. Example, have it be trends. You can adjust the kind of forecasting options as well if you'd like to. Those might not be applicable for most charts. You can also set the intercepts, display equation on the chart. As you can see, there's the kind of equation for the trend line as well on the chart. And you can display the R-squared value as well if you would like to. And set the intercept if you feel this best needs your data set. You can also kind of format the trend line as well to make it to where it will pop out and show as what you want it to be. So for example, let's say I want this to be a black line instead, and I want it to be a bit thicker so that way it shows up a bit more in my graph with a different compounding type as well. And I can even adjust the dash type to be whatever I would want it to be to best kind of fit my needs. In this example, I think the black line best meets my needs, and I could even add an arrow if I chose to do so for this trend line. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. No, you're just gonna have to kind of mess around with the formatting to really get it to be what you want it to be for your kind of specific formatting needs. But the key thing to remember is that the key to adding a trend line is not clicking on the plus for an area chart, but right clicking on the area and then clicking Add Trend Line. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.